In August 2025, Apple sued one of its former sensor system architects, Chen Shi, accusing him of downloading 63 confidential internal files, detailed sensor designs, product roadmaps, calibration methods, all of it right before he left the company. Apple says he copied the files to a USB drive, wiped the evidence, and then popped up at Oppo, one of Apple's biggest rivals in Asia. Hi, I'm Melvin Naidu, owner of Justec Brand Protection, helping online businesses protect their brands and their content online. Subscribe for more content just like this and find me on LinkedIn to connect. They also claim he spent months attending internal meetings he shouldn't have been in, gathering deep R&D intel on everything from photoplethysmography to ECG to Apple's future sensor plans. And then comes the wild part. Weeks after joining Oppo's InnoPeak division, she allegedly gave a massive presentation to hundreds of employees titled Apple Sensor Hardware R&D Philosophy and Methodology. Apple says those slides came straight from the stolen files. In court filings, they asked for injunctions, damages, forensic audits, even quarantining any Oppo research derived from those documents. Oppo insists none of the material is being used and that the talk was just high-level engineering theory. But if Apple gets an injunction and a forensic review proves otherwise, this could ripple across the entire Chinese wearables ecosystem. How sensor tech is becoming the new oil. Patents, trade secrets, internal engineering culture, all of it is now priceless. The Apple Oppo fight shows that even if you avoid patents, you still have to protect the internal know-how that makes those patents possible. Add global supply chains, import bans, custom seizures, and the race to dominate wearable health tech. And suddenly a watch isn't just a watch anymore. And if Apple proves any of its internal sensor tech leaked into Oppo's pipeline, we could see injunctions, fines, or entire product lines frozen. The future of wearables is now, tangled in patents, secrecy, and geopolitics. And this battle, Apple versus its own former engineer, and Apple versus a global competitor, is only just beginning. If you find stories in AI, IP, and Silicon Valley interesting, like and subscribe for more content just like this, and find me on LinkedIn to connect.